In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a flowchart in Canva. We'll walk through the entire process from finding the right template to downloading a polished diagram you can share or print. Start by heading to canva.com. Once you're on the homepage, go to the Templates section. This is the quickest way to get a professional-looking layout without starting from scratch. In the search bar, type Flowchart. You'll see a range of styles, from simple, minimal designs to more colorful, detailed options. Click a template that fits the tone of your project, whether it's for a presentation, a process guide, or training material. When you find one you like, apply it to your page so it opens in the editor. Next, add your flowchart shapes. On the left panel, click Elements, then go to Lines and Shapes. Here you'll find the essential flowchart symbols. Use an oval to mark the start and end points of your process. Rectangles are for process steps. Think actions or tasks. Diamonds represent decisions, places where you need a yes or no, or a choice between paths. Drag the shapes onto your page and position them roughly in order. You can duplicate shapes to keep sizing consistent and use arrows from the same panel to connect each step so the path is clear. Now edit the text content. Click any existing text on the template and replace it with your information. Keep labels short and specific. One action per rectangle, one question per diamond. Adjust the font, size, and color to match your brand or make the hierarchy clear. For example, use a slightly larger size for main steps and a consistent smaller size for notes. Make sure there's good contrast between text and background so everything is readable at a glance. Take a moment to review the flow direction. Ensure your arrows move in a logical order, typically top to bottom or left to right. If you have a decision point, check that the arrows from the diamond clearly show each outcome and lead to the correct next step. Avoid crossing lines when possible to keep the diagram clean and easy to follow. When you're happy with the layout, it's time to download your flowchart. Click Share in the top right corner, then click Download. Choose the format that suits your needs. PDF for printing or sharing as a document, PNG for high-quality images with crisp lines, or JPG for a smaller file size that's easy to send. Save it to your device and you're done. Oh.